All right, so in this video, we are going to learn how to fold the paper so that when we get to this point, you know how to make different folds, and it's all up to you on your design and your creativity to create this. And we will talk more about the requirements for this tomorrow after we learn how to fold, or on the next video. So each of you should have a handout. We're going to talk about three main folds. One of them is the hat fold, the kite fold, and the samurai fold. Now, if you are watching this video at home, you can use any scrap pieces of paper. In class, I asked my students to get 3 different colors of paper so we can separate them into the hat fold, the kite fold, and the samurai. So I'm going to start with the purple. I would like you guys to join me with the purple one so we can do the hat fold. So on the sheet, I crossed it off and said 2 by 2 because we are using a square piece of paper that is 2 inches by 2 inches. And it is very step-by-step on how to do this. The first part tells us to fold it in half. And it doesn't matter which way because it is a square. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold corner to corner like this to make a rectangle. So it is important to get it as straight as possible, but I will also take some of the blame that I don't always cut the paper exactly straight. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that just like I did to make a rectangle. The fold is going to be on the top up here. Okay, fold is on the top. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the flap in. Now, I will tell you, I'm going to make an additional step that's not on the sheet. So if you would look up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half this way to make like a 1 inch by 1 inch square. Okay, the reason I did that is because I want to find the center. So I'm going to open it back up, and I now have a center crease. You have that too, right? All right, so we are simply going to put our finger on the crease and fold half of it in towards that crease. It's going to look like a tent, but we're calling it the hat fold. So I folded that in, and I'm now going to fold the other half in. And again, this is the hat fold that I like to somewhat call a tent fold because it does look like a tent. Easy peasy. That's it for that first one. Okay, that is your first fold. Shh, please don't talk. Okay, so we'll put that one aside. That was the hat fold. Okay, please grab your green piece of paper for the kite fold. The kite fold. Well, the instructions tell us again, 2 by 2, and we are going to fold this in half from corner to corner to make a crease. So I'm going to pick up the top right corner. I'm going to fold it to the bottom left, and I want to make sure that I get my corners as exact as I can possibly get them to make a triangle. Okay, first fold, make a triangle. All right, once we have this triangle, we are going to open it back up to the diamond shape with a crease down the center. I am now going to take, your eyes should be up on the screen so you understand here, I'm going to take this fourth of the paper, okay, that is this top right edge, and I'm going to fold it in to the center crease. It's kind of like if you've ever made an airplane. Try to hit the corner as much as possible. Ooh, I did not hit the corner. I'm going to try this one again. There. All right, we are going to do that on the second side or the left side. Do the same exact thing. Seriously, guys. All right, so that is it. That's a kite fold. We'll slide that up and out of the way, and we are now going to move to our pink paper. Pink paper, samurai. Are we ready? Okay, we're going to start the samurai just like we did with the kite fold. That means we're going to go from corner to corner. So please do that, corner to corner, just like we did with the kite. I like to pick my paper up just because it works better for me. So I'm going to match up my corners. Boy. There we go. We make a triangle. All right. We are now going to fold it the other way, corner to corner. Okay? I just folded it here to here. I'm now going to go up and fold it the other two corners together. And basically, we're going to create an X or a cross down the center of this diamond by folding corner to corner. Okay, I folded here and here. All right. I am now going to turn my paper to have a square in front of me. And I'm going to take this square and fold it in half to make a rectangle. If you haven't picked up, this is the harder of the three, and it's not too bad. So I just folded it into a rectangle. Guys, go ahead and make sure that your fold is at the top. Okay, the fold is at the top, so the open end is at the bottom. How are we doing? Okay, here's where I need you to look up. I'm going to hold, now just watch this, guys. It's really not meant to be too hard. I'm going to hold this in the center, and I've got a crease right here on both sides. So if I just take this and I push it in, it collapses in on its side. Did you see what I just did? I took this corner and I pushed it in on itself, and I'm just going to crease it. I'm going to do that on both sides. So if you didn't catch it the first time, here we go again. I'm going to hold it with my right hand, take my index finger, and push it in on itself, and crease. So this is what it looks like from the top view. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time. Okay, this is what we had. We had a rectangle. I'm going to hold it with my left fingers. I'm pinching it together. I'm going to take my index of my right hand, and push it in on itself. I'm then going to do it with my right hand holding it and my left index pushing it in. Okay? This is what it looks like from the inside. This is what it looks like from the top view. All right, so the next step, we're not done. Look up, please. Next step, I have this triangle. And I'm now going to take this one top flap here, and I am going to fold it in at the center, like this. And I'm going to do it on both sides to make the samurai fold. Now, I didn't fold that one exactly straight, so I'm going to try it one more time. Okay, and voila. Okay, again, this is what we had, was a triangle. I'm going to fold it from the center, in and down, and done. That gives you the samurai fold. And that is the end of the video.